Woks designed for electric stoves have evolved from traditional round-bottomed Chinese pans to versatile flat-bottom designs that work efficiently on induction and electric coil surfaces. The category matters because a good wok can dramatically improve heat distribution, oil management, and flavor development for stir-frying.
Product number 1. Carbon steel wok, including glass cover. Todlab's 13-inch carbon steel wok emphasizes a glass lid for visual monitoring and a pre-seasoned natural non-stick surface aimed at quick release and easy cleanup. The vertical lid handle and wooden ergonomics are designed for comfortable handling with a capacity around 1.4 gallons and a weight of 3.15 pounds. The set includes a glass cover and a silicone spatula, and it is advertised as compatible with induction, electric, gas, halogen, and open fire. Prospective buyers should note the hand wash requirement and the lack of an oven-safe claim, which can influence storage and multifunction use. In use, the pan's flat bottom ensures stable seating on electric stoves, while the tall sides help trap flavors and reduce splatter during high-heat stir-frying. The pre-seasoning at temperatures above 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit via nitrogen treatment promises durable seasoning, but users should still expect ongoing oil seasoning to maximize non-stick performance. The wooden handle stays cooler to the touch than metal equivalents, and the vertical lid handle allows convenient resting during cooking. However, the absence of a metal lid option and non-stick coating longevity under aggressive high-heat pan searing deserves attention. For family meals of 3 to 6, the pan's size and weight strike a good balance between control and capacity.
Product number 2. Babish Carbon Steel Flat Bottom Wok. Babish offers a 14-inch carbon steel wok with a flat bottom and a heavy gauge profile designed for rapid, even heat distribution. It features riveted wooden handles, a natural non-stick development through oil absorption, and compatibility with gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction surfaces. The product weighs about 5 pounds and has a 5-quart capacity, suited for larger batches. It ships without a price listed in the data, but is positioned as a premium mid-range option with robust build and versatile compatibility. Performance-wise, the wok aims to achieve strong searing and efficient oil retention to promote a natural non-stick surface over time. The flat bottom improves contact with flat electric and induction cooktops, while the wooden handles provide a solid grip. The seasoning guidance emphasizes a careful oil seasoning routine, including oven method notes if handles are removed. The key consideration is the lack of a published price in the data, which makes direct value judgments harder. However, build quality and user experience appears strong for serious home cooks, especially those who want a large capacity pan for stir-fries and sautéing. Product number 3. Yosukata 13.5-inch carbon steel wok pan, pre-seasoned flat-bottom POW wok for stir-fry. Yosukata's 13.5-inch carbon steel wok is a premium option with pre-seasoning at temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, using a traditional flat-bottom design with New Zealand beechwood handle. It's designed for high-heat stir-frying and is advertised as compatible with induction, electric, gas, open fire, and various outdoor setups. The wok emphasizes authentic flavor retention through proper seasoning and a versatile design for a wide range of cooking tasks beyond stir-frying. In practice, the wok's carbon steel construction supports rapid heating and even heat distribution with a 0.44-gallon capacity that keeps the pan manageable for home use while remaining large enough for family meals. The open fire compatibility expands outdoor cooking possibilities, but it requires ongoing maintenance to sustain the seasoned surface. The beechwood handle provides a comfortable grip, though it may require extra care around heat exposure. The proven high heat performance makes it a strong choice for users who want restaurant-level results and a slightly larger than typical home wok. Product number 4. Wok pan. Dotclad presents a 12-inch stainless steel wok with a dual-clawed snowflake laser-etched surface designed to combine stainless steel durability with a non-stick-like performance. The pan is advertised as oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and suitable for all stovetops including induction, gas, and electric. It aims to deliver quick heating and easy cleanup with a non-stick finish that is free of PFOA. Performance-wise, the stainless steel body with a non-stick coated interior promises reduced oil requirements and simpler food release compared to plain carbon steel. The 12-inch size is accessible for everyday cooking and is easy to maneuver. The pan supports deep frying, sautéing, and braising, and the dishwasher safe claim simplifies maintenance. However, some stainless steel non-stick hybrids can have durability questions over heavy use, especially in high heat scenarios where traditional carbon steel excels. Weight is around 5 pounds, which is reasonable for a sturdy pan, but may require more effort for those seeking ultra-light options. Product number 5. Carbon Steel Wok 13-inch Woks. Tiwi's budget-friendly 13-inch carbon steel wok comes as a complete set with a lid, spatula, and dish brush. It markets a modern non-stick surface achieved through a nitriding process at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and a pre-seasoned finish aimed at rust resistance and easy food release. The set promises compatibility with all stoves, including induction and electric coil, with a 4.19-pound weight and a 13-inch width. It emphasizes lightweight handling and a flat bottom for stable stove use. In practice, the wok's nitriding-based non-stick claims are attractive for casual cooks who want low-oil cooking with quick cleanup. The included accessories add value for new wok users. However, as with many budget carbon steel options, ongoing seasoning and oil management will influence long-term non-stick performance. The lid and spatula are practical inclusions, but the long-term durability of the non-stick layer and the quality of the handles should be monitored with heavy daily use.